Plant of the day today. This is something that I grew last year for the first time from seed. It's a strain of Rudbeckia called Sahara. The tones range from sort of a buttery yellow color all the way through to cherry and corals and mustards. This is the color, excuse me. This is the color that this particular seed yielded this year. This one ages through to this beautiful sort of coral raspberry. Coral raspberry? Is that even a thing? Anyway, it makes for really nice complementary tones in this one particular flower. But I'm going to take you for a walk to see the other ones, because what I did is I isolated the pink ones, as I mentioned, and so each seed is different, and they've all turned out so beautiful this year. Why is this not focusing? Come on, you bitch. Focus. Oh my god, there we go. Look at that. Isn't that stunning? Ah, so beautiful. Okay, so now I'm gonna take you for a walk. We're going to zoom over there this way to the backyard so you can see the other ones of the same strain that ended up also being really beautiful. Okay, this one just opened up yesterday. Lovely color. Sort of a, okay, focus, douche. Come on. There you go. All right. That one is kind of like a, I want to use like painting terms. Yellow ochre. I don't know if anyone else would know what that is. Beautiful sort of rusty yellow. It's probably going to age with more of those sort of browny red tones, but I don't know yet. And then over here, there's this one that is more of a mustardy yellow, and that is what it has aged to. So they're like, as they mature, they change color, and it's just such a gorgeous show. This one's gotten the tallest of all of them so far. It's like, what, maybe 3 feet tall? Yeah, about 3 feet tall. Most of them are around 24 or 30 inches tall. And then over here, I've got this stunning one. Oh, I kind of wish that I could, like, what am I, what I don't know what the word is that I'm looking for. Isolate. I wish I could isolate this particular color and stabilize it, but it's too close to the other ones, and this year I don't have the patience for that. So, but anyway, this is like a stunning, like cantaloupe color, kind of a little bit more golden, and then ages through to this cantaloupe. There we go. This cantaloupe color, just so beautiful. And then over here we have this one. Oh my god! There's a little bee visiting that one. This one opens up like that kind of rusty red color down there, and then look at the corals and reds in there, and then it ages to this sort of raspberry color. I am just so freaking in love with these. Oh my god, like, I think this is going to be a staple in my garden for years and years and years. I'm just so in love with it, and it's so easy to grow, like super easy to grow. It doesn't do much for like 3/4 of the year, though. That's the only thing. It's a late summer flower, but then, you know, like, that's kind of when you want color in the fall, because a lot of the things are fading. These guys are just starting to take off. Anyway, so that is an annual Rudbeckia, and then the seed strain is called Sahara. I will be offering seeds later, hopefully lots of them, because the plants are doing really well this year, which is awesome. As for what they need, well-drained soil is probably one of the biggest things. They wouldn't do well in like really super moist soil. They can tolerate some shade, but I wouldn't put them into too much. They're like a sunflower, right? They need a lot of sun and a lot of drainage. They probably would tolerate low quality soil, but I wouldn't necessarily plant them in that, because you really want to have them show off. So put them somewhere where they're going to get at least a decent amount of water and a decent amount of nutrition. And in terms of what you can plant them with, well, look what just opened here. I'll do a feature on that when it's fully open, but there's a gladiolus here. that is complementing these really nicely. So I would put them with things that have like strappy foliage, or dark foliage would be really beautiful. Or like heucheras also would be beautiful because they've got that crinkly texture. Anything that has different texture and that might not be showing off at the end of the year like this, then this one can be really, really showcased. Oh, doing a little cleaning dance there, getting the pollen off her body. I found out that the bees' back legs, when you see all the bundles of pollen on their back legs, those are called the baskets. Isn't that cute? So that's Rudbeckia Sahara.